reason why we found out is somebody was eating chicken, and they have one whole chicken to themselves.
Okay. We're in the city. Where na ano yun? Nawala. This is the city. To come here in the city. Oo nga. Lahat na lang ano, tel. Puro Christmas ano. Pero ako hindi pa ako
No, we don't have a Christmas tree.
No, what I mean is Colombia. What I mean is going out this Christmas. Because usually we go out naman. Eh, ngayon lang.
It doesn't feel like Christmas, isn't it? Only now because you see the decoration.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
even in Rousel, I don't go. Oh, so this is one. Oh, wow. Victoria. So ano ba pag ano ka ng kwan? No, tell. No, Martin's Place ba ito? Pag sa metro ka?
No, you go.
Ay, Gadigal. Okay, it's easier. Okay, Christmas in Sydney. This is Christmas in Sydney.
Good morning. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
I thought you were going to get one.
No? Yeah, I will not ano naman. Oh.
Masarap yung amoy
ng kape. Coffee tayo doon. Masarap. New Balance daw. Longchamp. May Longchamp din pa pala sila dito. Bakit yung Longchamp na binili ang pangit? The grounds. This is city. School. See, very quiet. Christmas, very quiet here. It's not like in the Philippines.
People are still, maybe because people now are going on holidays.
Holidays, yeah. They're more on holiday.
It's usually quiet here.
There's so many people na in the camping ground.
Yeah, there's.
Oh, ano din.
People are spending it elsewhere. I think that's how it is.
That's why if you are you will come here, but you will not feel.
It feels more
Oo.
Christmas when you come here.
Yeah. Merry Christmas there.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Our thing isn't as bonga though, our decorations too.
Yeah.
Did you see the fields? They're Jollibee. It's like lights galore. It's like
okay.
You know,
Even in San Nicolas Tel, in the towns there. So very ano na.
The one yung valley, remember we went for the light show?
Ay na, nothing.
Yeah, the one just go to Jollibee and the fields is already crazy.
And we are paying how much there?
Yeah, just go to Jollibee.
You just go in the towns, San Nicolas. I'm not
crazy.
Yeah. I'm not telling it to Doug, so that he will be surprised.
They will be surprised.
They will surprise. It's like city na. Ang dami ng pagkain tel sa town. It's too much. Street food everywhere. Stop na pa. Okay. Just greeting Merry Christmas na lang tel for this
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Christmas 2024 our day with Tel and Karen and friends.
You're still talking.
Yeah. Hi Karen. Merry Christmas. Okay, bye.